In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a folder in Yahoo Mail. If you're organizing your inbox and want to clean up old or unused folders, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a folder safely and what happens to the emails inside it. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail account and look to the left side of the screen. You'll see the navigation panel with sections like Inbox and Sent. Scroll down to the section labeled Folders. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the panel or scrolling a bit further. Sometimes it's collapsed to keep the view tidy. Keep in mind that Yahoo only lets you delete custom folders you've created. Built-in folders such as Inbox, Sent, Drafts, Spam, and Trash can't be removed. Next, move your mouse over the folder you want to delete. When you hover over it, a small arrow or a folder options icon should appear. This icon can look slightly different depending on your layout or theme, but it's usually right next to the folder name. Click that arrow or options icon, and from the menu that opens, select Delete Folder. Before you confirm, double-check that you've selected the right folder, especially if it contains subfolders. Deleting a folder will affect everything inside it. When you choose to delete, Yahoo Mail will display a confirmation pop-up. This is there to prevent accidental deletions. Read the message carefully so you understand the impact, then confirm the action to proceed. If you don't see a pop-up, make sure it isn't hidden behind your browser window or blocked by a pop-up setting. After you confirm, the folder and all of its contents are moved to deleted items or trash, depending on your interface. That means nothing is immediately gone forever. You still have a safety net for a period of time, so if you realize you removed the wrong folder, you can typically recover messages from there, as long as the trash hasn't been emptied or automatically cleared by Yahoo's retention rules. This is especially helpful if the folder contained older threads you might need later. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the deleted folder still appears in the list, try refreshing the page. Sometimes the sidebar takes a moment to update. Also, if you're using a smaller screen, widening the window can make the options icon easier to see. And remember, these steps apply to the web version of Yahoo Mail. The mobile app may present options differently. That's it, simple, safe, and done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.